Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. So YouTube has finally added a new feature called collaborations. It's very similar to Instagram's collab post feature, where one photo shows up to multiple different accounts. So on YouTube, this means one video will appear on multiple channels at the same time, and the video will reach the audience of the channel that has accepted the collaboration. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step that you need to know about this new collaboration on YouTube feature. So without any further ado, let's get started. On a single YouTube video or short, you can add up to 5 collaborators. When you add them, their channel name will show under the video along with the subscribe button for each channel. This way, viewers can easily subscribe all the collaborators directly from the video. So now let's start with uploading a new video, and then I'll explain you the steps also to collaborate with YouTube channels while uploading a video. So when you are uploading a video through YouTube Studio on desktop or mobile, go to the details page. Here, scroll down a bit and click on show more. After that, when you scroll a bit, you'll see an option to invite a collaborator. Click on it, and after that, here in the search box, search for the channel you want to collaborate with. After that, when the channel suggestion pop up, click on it. You can also choose whether to give them access to view analytics. This only includes views, engagement, and not your revenue. You can control analytics viewing by switching this toggle on or off. Once done, click on create link. And here, click on this copy button to copy the invitation link. And then click on share. After that, click on close. And here you can see the pending acceptance tag will start appearing below the channel name. Click on save, and once you publish the video, the invitation link will active instantly. So you have already copied the collaboration link. So share it with the channel you want to collaborate with. They will use the link to accept your invite. And remember, if you forget to copy the invitation link, or by any reason if you messed out, then don't worry. You can later copy and share the link again if needed. Even I will explain you the process later in this video, so wait for it. Now moving to the next part, how to collaborate on an already published video. If you have already published a video, you can still invite collaborators. To do that, go to YouTube Studio. After that, click on content in the left side pane, and here either scroll and find the video or just search for that video with the title and go to details page. Now next, scroll a bit and click on show more, and here scroll down and click on invite a collaborator, and then follow the same steps that I have already explained you in collaborate a video while uploading a new video part. Now here, if you have missed the invitation link, then here how you can get it again. Scroll and find the content that you want to collaborate, and then click on this pencil icon to go to the details page. Here, scroll down all the way and click on show more. After that, when you scroll a bit, you can see manage collaborators button. Click on it and then click on copy invitation link right to the channel name. Share the link with the channel you want to collaborate with. Now next, I'll also explain you how to accept a collaboration invite. So if another creators invites you to collaborate on a video, then they probably send you a collaboration link. If not, then ask them for the collaboration link, and when you open it, you will see the video details along with the option to accept the invite. Here, click on accept button, and once you accept it, the video will start showing on your channel with your name and a subscribe button right to it. Now once you invite a creator to become a collaborator on your video, you can reshare the link if in case you or the collaborator will lost it by any chance, that I have already explained you in this video. You can also manage their analytics access anytime. And if needed, you can also remove a collaborator from the video. First, let me explain you how to manage their analytics access. And to do that, go to the details page of the video. After that, click on show more. And here, scroll a bit and click on manage collaborators. After that, click on the 3 dot right to the channel's name. And next, when the pop-up appears, click on manage. And here you can control the analytics viewing by turning this toggle on or off. And next, if you want to remove a collaborator, then click on the 3 dot and then here click on remove. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here, click on remove, and that's it. Now, if you have accepted a collaboration invite by any other creator, then to showcase your collaboration on your channel homepage, go to YouTube Studio and next click on customization in the left side pane. Now here in channel customization, go to home tab and next in layout section, if collaboration section is not appearing, click on add section and from here you can choose collaborations. Now all your collaborations video will appearing in one dedicated section on your channel's homepage. So that's it for the video. Now you know how to use it fully, and that's a great way to grow your channel by teaming up with other creators and sharing audience. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it, share it with your YouTuber's friend, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.